nag-confess ka naman kay Secretary Bonoan eh.
Nag-report po ako na may possible pong...
I'm not saying that you reported. I am saying that you confessed to him that an amount of something like 7.3 billion was really wasted on flood control projects.
Wala pong ganong teorya po, Your Honor. Wala po akong...
Kasi merong gustong mag-testify eh. It's your word against his. Kasi nakonsensya na siya, gusto niyang talagang sabihin.
Your Honor, yung pong amount at bilang, wala po talaga po akong binanggit kay Secretary.
Kasi palagi mong sinasabi, ayun, kamukha nito, palagay mo gusto na nating tanggapin ito. The DPWH already submitted 2 cases of ghost projects. Ito yung sa May Capis, Taliptip River, Package B, Barangay Perez, Bulacan, at saka yung Riverwall, Purokpor, Barangay Piel, Baliwag, Bulacan.